Hello dear friends, welcome to English Corner, the complete grammar guide. In English Corner, today's topic is subject and predicate. It is one of the smallest topics in English grammar, but I thought it is important to discuss with you all. So let us begin. When we make sentences, we name some persons or thing and say something about that person or thing. So, we can say that every sentence has two parts, that is, subject and predicate. The part which names the person or thing is called the subject. In other words, subject of a sentence is noun, pronoun, or equal to that. Let us see an example. The cat caught a mouse yesterday. In this sentence, the cat is the subject. The part of a sentence which tells something about the subject is called the predicate, which means in the same sentence, caught a mouse yesterday is telling about the cat. So it is the predicate of this sentence. The most important part of the predicate is the verb in a sentence. Let's make it clear with few more examples. I like apple. Here, I is the subject and the rest of the sentence is predicate. He has a good memory. In this, he is the subject and the rest is predicate. Usually, the subject of a sentence comes first, but occasionally it comes after the predicate also. For example, here comes the bus. In this sentence, bus is the subject, but it came after the predicate. There is a special case. In imperative sentences, the subject is left out or we use the sentence without subject. Examples are sit down, get out. So that's all about subject and predicate. Hope it's clear for you. Please comment your queries and suggestions in the comment box. So see you guys in the next video with another topic. Stay safe, stay home, take care, bye.